This video guide is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the online scam that comes from the site Datadesktopsecurity.online. Datadesktopsecurity.online is a junk and truly deceptive site attacking Google, Chrome and other browsers. It tries to mislead people and to make them click on this allow button, to make them subscribe to the ads in the form of push notifications. Also, such pop-ups try to mislead people and to make them scared about the condition of their computers in order to force them into downloading some potentially unwanted software. So if you see these pop-ups by Datadesktopsecurity.online, do not ever interact with them. Do not install anything that these pop-ups suggest. Such pop-up ads could be the trace of some adware on the system, so I recommend that you investigate your computer with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. The best place to obtain it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the application and start investigating your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.